Ahora sí vamos a pescar. Ahora sí a ver qué agarramos. Viene el goldo.
¡Me soltaron! ¡Me soltaron!
¡Te soltaron! Lo soltaron. Vamos a ver qué agarramos. Vamos a ver qué agarramos, raza. Mira el conejo. Mira, tiene tus orejas, güey. Y vamos para adentro, ¿no? Vamos a ver qué tal. Vamos a ver. Siento suerte. Hey, wish me luck, bro. We're gonna be fishing right here. There's the river right there. Look at this. You good, bro? You guys see that? There's a lot of fish right there. Look at these guys, bro. That's a lot of fish right there. Wow. Yeah. You guys see all this fish? That's a lot of fish here, man. That's a lot. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, guys. That's a lot of fish right there. Look at that. Man, look at those fish. Alright guys, we're gonna try this net. See if we catch something. Try right there, bro. That's the spot, bro. Try that. They eat them fishes, bro. They eating them fishes. Look at that. No, right here, bro. Right in the corner. Right down. Hey guys, we got our first bass of the day.
Off the net.
Oh yeah.